Hello and welcome to our channel. I'm Eddie from Ifalcon.net, and this video will feature one of our recent projects, which is a security camera installation. Our customer wanted a discrete install and a small form factor camera with none of those cabling hassles. He also wanted to connect to the internet so he could monitor the camera from anywhere. We chose to install the EZVIZ BC2 Wi-Fi camera, which is battery operated. It has night vision, and it also has an AI with human detection capabilities. Now we see our technician setting everything up before the install and making sure every component was included inside of the box. With the camera already mounted, we are ready to power up and connect it to the local Wi-Fi. Afterwards, we'll set up the app on the customer's phone and make all the necessary tests. Take a look at all the different configurations we can have on this camera. After we're finished, our customer is ready to monitor his camera from anywhere in the world. This is all for now. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like and subscribe button. And remember, if you want to shop for any marine electronics at the best prices, visit us at www.ifalcon.net.